I'm about to go to sleep. I need my protein. Thank you. My protein, so I got some milk here. Jordan's gonna make some cobbler with these berries. I'm gonna steal some of those. I like to put a little cinnamon in there. Boop. Just a little sprig of cinnamon, peanut butter, and coconut oil. I'm gonna go ahead and do the coconut oil first. So that, how much? I don't know, like that much. Coconut oil first so that I don't get peanut butter in my coconut oil. Because I don't mind getting coconut oil in my peanut butter. I don't know about that much. Usually I do this with a half frozen banana. That's very ripe, but I don't have any more. Protein powder. Oh yeah, actually, before I do that, go ahead and mix this up just a little bit. Mix it up a little bit. Protein in there. Chocolate flavored protein, but sometimes I use vanilla flavored protein. Put that in there. A little more milk. That'll be interesting with the berries. I've never done it with the berries before. Should be good. Here we go. Protein before bed.